Greetings, Earthlings and cosmic wanderers. I'm Sir Historious, your guide to the final frontier of history. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey through one of the greatest rivalries of all time. A race not for gold, land, or glory, but for the heavens themselves. Welcome to the space race. Let me ask you this. If you could visit any celestial body, which would it be? The moon, Mars, or something beyond our solar system? Share your cosmic dream in the comments below and prepare for liftoff as we revisit the thrilling story of Sputnik to Apollo. The year was 1957. The Cold War was in full swing. The two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, were locked in a battle for technological supremacy. On October 4th of that year, the Soviet Union made history by launching Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. The world watched in awe as a beeping metal sphere no larger than a beach ball circled our planet. For Americans, the launch of Sputnik was a wake-up call. If the Soviets could put a satellite into orbit, what else could they do? Missiles? Spy satellites? Space stations? The space race had begun, and the stakes were astronomical. Literally. What would you have felt gazing up at the night sky in 1957, knowing Sputnik was up there? Excitement? Fear? Let me know your thoughts. Fast forward to 1961, the Soviets struck another blow by sending Yuri Gagarin into orbit, making him the first human in space. His 108-minute journey aboard Vostok cemented his place in history and intensified America's determination to catch up. That same year, President John F. Kennedy boldly declared that the United States would land a man on the moon before the decade was out. The Apollo program was born, and the race for the moon was on, but it was no easy journey. Early missions were plagued with challenges. Tragedy struck in 1967 when a fire during a pre-flight test claimed the lives of 3 astronauts aboard. Yet, humanity's resolve only grew stronger. By 1968, Apollo 7 achieved the first manned flight of the program. And later that year, Apollo 8 became the first crew spacecraft to orbit the moon. Imagine the awe as astronauts capture the iconic Earthrise photo, a single image that reminded us of our shared home, or Apollo 1. Finally, on July 20th, 1969, history was made. Apollo 11's lunar module, Eagle, touched down on the moon's surface. Neil Armstrong descended the ladder and uttered the immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Where were you, or where do you wish you could have been, when humanity first walked on the moon? Let me know below. The space race forever changed the world. It gave us satellites for communication, weather forecasting, and global positioning. It sparked scientific curiosity and technological advances that continue to shape our lives today. But it also left us with a question. What next? Will humanity colonize Mars, explore Europa's icy ocean, or venture beyond our solar system? Tell me, cosmic dreamers, what do you think the future holds for space exploration? Thank you for joining me, Sir Historious, on this voyage through the stars of history. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we'll continue exploring the moments that made us and the dreams that propel us forward. Until next time, my curious companions, keep reaching for the stars.